जब आप एक छोटे से प्यारे से बच्चे की माँ हो तो लाइफ काफी बिजी हो जाती है और उस पर रूपक भी काम के सिलसिले में ट्रैवल करने की वजह से बिजी हो जाते हैं। इसीलिए वो जब भी बिजनेस ट्रिप पर जाते हैं तो मैं और जैन भी साथ हो लेते हैं ताकि हम दोनों रूपक के साथ क्वालिटी टाइम बिता सके। जब जैन 14 महीने का था तो हम सिंगापुर गए थे। इस ट्रिप में हमने बड़े मजे किए थे, लेकिन इसकी तैयारी करना मेरे लिए एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस था।
As you guys know, we're off to Singapore tonight. You could see that there's complete chaos at home. We're packing, getting ready to go. I think he can sense that travel is in the air. He's already a globe-trotting baby, so... Mama! Everything doesn't always happen with a smile. Zen doesn't like having something on his head, but this is ever so cute. Sorry.
What does the lion do? What does the lion do?
And Daddy's packing. Zen's gonna have his supper, and then we're gonna leave. How much time do we have?
7 minutes.
हम थोड़ी जल्दी में थे। काफी सारी पैकिंग करनी थी ताकि हमारी फ्लाइट कहीं छूट न जाए।
Okay, let's be back. Then, have you synced your devices?
We're ready to go. We're off! Yay! Got our bags packed. All the hustle and bustle. Now, hopefully, we're going to make the flight. I've only been to Singapore once, very long ago, and Zen's never been. So for us, it's kind of all new. It's going to be an adventure. My husband Rupak had lived in Singapore for about 6 months when he was doing his MBA, so he knows it pretty well. So we'll all be having quite an adventure. Now, as you can see, we've got his hand luggage, and Zen's hand luggage has to have basically all his essentials.
डायपर्स, खिलौने, दवाइयाँ, चेंज ऑफ क्लोथ्स, चेंजिंग इक्विपमेंट जैसे वेट वाइप्स, फीडिंग इक्विपमेंट जैसे कि वो फीडिंग पॉन्चो, जरूरी फूड आइटम्स जैसे होल व्हीट बिस्किट्स, बेबी फूड जार्स और कभी-कभी शॉर्ट डिस्टेंसेस के लिए फ्रूट्स जैसे बनाना या ऑरेंज।
Zen's one. I still feed him just once a day. I'm weaning him off, but I'm gonna feed him with this amazing feeding poncho, which covers me up, so no one can see what I'm doing, and he can go in there and be fed, and then he'll hopefully fall asleep. And this is what we also do on the plane. Usually he just falls asleep and we have a really relaxed flight. Touch wood. Oh my God, Rupak, are we going to make it? Seriously, this traffic is insane.
हम बिल्कुल टाइम पर एयरपोर्ट पहुंच चुके थे। लंबी फ्लाइट में बच्चे कई बार बेचैन हो जाते हैं। फ्लाइट में एयर प्रेशर की वजह से बच्चों को अक्सर कान में दर्द हो जाता है, इसीलिए एयर ट्रैवल के दौरान उन्हें कुछ खिलाकर सुला देना बेहतर होता है। थैंक गॉड ज़ेन गहरी नींद में सो चुका था।
We're very lucky to be in business, and thanks to my husband. And Zen is comfortably sleeping. I fed him, and now he's fast asleep. And I'm going to join him and sleep right here. What about the prams? Oh my God, strollers forgotten on the aircraft. Sorry. When you are traveling with a child, there is a lot more luggage than if you weren't traveling with a child. So here we are, all stuffed up with the luggage in the car and on our way to the hotel.
सिंगापुर एक छोटा सा देश है जो 63 आइलैंड्स का क्लस्टर है। ये एशिया का फाइनेंशियल और कल्चरल हब है। सिंगापुर दरअसल संस्कृत के शब्दों सिंह और पुर को मिलाकर बना है। सिंहपुर या सिंगापुर यानी द लायन सिटी।
It's incredible because I've never been to a hotel where we don't check in downstairs at the lobby.
Oh.
So we're checking in our room. Oh wow, lovely view.
हमारे होटल के विंडो से सिंगापुर का नज़ारा देखते ही बनता है। यहाँ है वो मशहूर मरीना बे सैंड्स होटल, एक फ्लोटिंग स्टेडियम और एक जायंट फेरिस व्हील कॉल्ड द सिंगापुर फ्लायर जो लंदन आई की बराबरी करता है।
Wow, what do you think?
लंबी फ्लाइट की थकान मिटाने के लिए हमने थोड़ा आराम किया, फिर तैयार होकर रेस्टोरेंट पहुंच गए। वहां का ब्रंच काफी मशहूर है।
Hi. So as you can see, we've changed. We've been up in our room. We're back in summer clothes, and now we're gonna look at this amazing breakfast buffet that they've got at the Mandarin Oriental.
ब्रंच के दौरान हम एक जापानीज परिवार से मिले। देखकर लगा कि वो भी सिंगापुर घूमने आए हैं।
This is congee. And in Japan, what do you usually give for breakfast?
Rice balls.
Rice balls. Okay, bread and rice balls. And do they drink a lot of milk or not much?
Ice milk.
Milk.
Tea. Japanese tea.
Japanese tea. Oh.
Watashi wa Indo jin desu.
India.
They say that you should let children do this so that they feel comfortable with eating themselves and stuff. The menu for Zen is banana, then whole wheat cereal, and milk. Zen is also going to have some congee with chicken, which is what they eat. A lot of the Chinese babies eat, and a lot of the kids here in Singapore eat.
दूसरे कल्चर्स के पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को कैसे रेज करते हैं, मुझे ये जानना बेहद फैसिनेटिंग लगता है। मेरी दोस्त नंदिता हाल में ही माँ बनी है। अपने नन्हे बेटे के साथ वो अक्सर ट्रैवल करती है। ट्रैवल के दौरान बच्चों को फीड करने के बारे में उसने मुझे कई टिप्स भी दिए।
Go with the flow, because we have a certain routine. I was like, oh no, he has to eat this and he has to eat that. I think I was force feeding him a little bit in the beginning, but the joy of eating must also remain. And then he came back to his routine, and I used to carry earlier a lot of toys, thinking, oh, he needs this and that. But actually, more than toys, they love just anything and everything. So it could be a plastic spoon so just to be more creative as to what is this little world you can give him that can fascinate him.
भारी भरकम ब्रंच के बाद हम बाकी सारा दिन आराम करते रहे। लंबी दूरी की फ्लाइट्स के बाद बच्चे अक्सर बेचैन हो जाते हैं, इसीलिए हमने उस दिन कोई और प्लान नहीं बनाया, जिससे ज़ेन को नई जगह से यूज्ड टू होने का टाइम भी मिल पाए।
Good morning everyone. This morning we're off to the Singapore Zoo, another huge tourist attraction and of course very popular with children. We've arrived at the zoo, but as you can see, the star of the show Zen is having a nap.
मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि आप सब कुछ प्लान नहीं कर सकते।
He heard some little children and that got him all up and about. And now I know what I'm going to show him, what he loves and loves, and let's see what his reaction is. Reality TV at its best. Moo. It's a moo cow. Moo cow. Moo. Very kindly, Nat has organized a buggy for us. So Zen's gonna disembark from his little vehicle and get onto the car. Wow, look, Zen, he put deer. Look, deer.
दूर से लगता है कि सारे जानवर यहाँ इकट्ठे रहते हैं, पर यहाँ हर स्पीशीज को बिल्कुल कुदरती तौर पर एक दूसरे से अलग रखा जाता है।
Mama baby rhino, like mama baby is native.
You hold this baby, right? Just wait for a while. Right? Give it too long. Thanks. Okay.
Say, come.
You got it?
Thank you. Fascinating to see a baby's reaction. Zen was most calm and collected as if, oh, he feeds giraffes every day.
जिराफ्स को कैरेट्स फीड करने के बाद हम एलिफेंट शो देखने गए।
Boys and girls, our ancient elephants.
Wow, that was amazing! And pet elephants, giraffes, we've seen all kinds of amazing animals, and now it's lunch time. So he's having, by the looks of it, pak choy, Chinese cabbage with porridge and chicken, and I'm actually going to have some dim sum, which I'm looking forward to.
ज़ेन मस्ती के नए तरीके ढूंढता रहता है। दिन भर धूप में रहने के बाद शायद फ्लो की ठंडक उसे पसंद आ रही थी।
We've had a lovely lunch and a bit of a nap. Zen's had a nap, so as you can see, he's all raring to go, and we're off to see the lions now.
जू ट्रिप के बाद ही मैंने जाना कि शिकार सिर्फ शेरनी करती है, शेर नहीं। शेर तो सिर्फ मजे से सोता है।
Also why the females don't have that huge male, because it's not very conducive to running around and chasing animals and hunting. Ooh, sorry. Sorry. Yes, Mama's fault, sorry. That's not Nana. Nana's at home. He's lying.
ज़ेन ने जू में फटाफट दोस्त भी बना लिए। उसका दोस्त एक प्यारा सा कोरियन बच्चा उसकी तरह ही बातूनी था।
Yes, white tiger is amazing, isn't he? Yeah.
Mommy, white tiger is amazing.
Yeah. Did you see the elephant?
Yes.
Yeah. Did you like it?
Yes.
Did you feed any animals?
Yes.
Which one?
Tiger and zebra.
Yeah. What's your favorite animal?
Tiger.
Yes. High five. High five. Give a high five. Oh, mwah. Now Zen's had a little snack, and I was observing how the little chimpanzees over there also were having a little snack.
चिम्प्स और इंसान एक दूसरे से काफी मिलते जुलते हैं। उनके मैनरिज्म्स बिल्कुल इंसानों के जैसे होते हैं।
Hello, Mr. Man of the Forest. Are you a little man of the forest? We're entering the fragile forest.
इस हिस्से में जानवर साथ रहते हैं, बिल्कुल कुदरती माहौल की तरह। ये बाकी के जू से अलग है और वहाँ पर काफी बैट्स भी हैं।
I'm not a big fan. The big pigeon. Froggy, ribbit. So these are the archer fish. How do you end a great day at the zoo? Of course, you end in the gift shop. So here we are buying a hat for Zen, and okay, he seems to want a walrus. That's interesting. And an orangutan from the Singapore Zoo.
जब ज़ेन 11 महीने का था, मैंने सोचा था कि वो कभी क्रॉल नहीं करेगा, लेकिन सिंगापुर में तो वो हर चीज क्रॉल करके ही एक्सप्लोर करना चाहता था।
Ooh, okay, enough adventure for one day.
सच पूछिए तो बच्चे आपको एक्टिव और प्रोडक्टिव रखते हैं। सिंगापुर छोटे बच्चों के साथ घूमने की परफेक्ट जगह है, क्योंकि ये बहुत बेबी फ्रेंडली है। जब हमारे घर नया मेहमान आएगा या आएगी तो हम उसे जू की सैर कराने दोबारा जरूर लाएंगे।
So here we are with the super talented Farah Khan, who's not just an amazing director, choreographer, actress, but also what I think is pretty much the biggest achievement is she's an incredible mummy of 3. She has triplets. Tell me, Farah, how did your life change when you had your babies?
For me, एक तो मेरी पूरी लाइफ की प्रायोरिटीज चेंज हो गई हैं। अब मैं जो भी करती हूँ,
Everything was about, yourself, your career, your movie, your what is people. Nothing matters anymore. It's all about the children now.
Talking about traveling with kids, do you have any tips, like special tips on what you should do?
I have only one tip. I have an entourage traveling with me. Try to go somewhere cheap because for me 3 babies, me, my husband and 3 maids.
Oh my God!
3 nannies we have to
Yeah.
take. अगर छुट्टी चाहिए तो एक नैनी होना ज़रूरी है, अदरवाइज नॉट अ हॉलीडे। तो अभी तो हम अब तक हम सब उन्हें रूरल जगह दिखा रहे हैं इंडिया की, बिकॉज जब तीसमार खान में बना रही थी तो मालशेज में वो थे, they love the village and love the tractor and love the bullock cart.
But tell me, when you all travel and all in the car and all that,
they are very good because I think बचपन से we have been traveling.
Yeah,
तो बहुत they are very happy in the plane also. बिल्कुल वो तंग नहीं करते हैं, they're very travel, they're happy to sit in the car and just be. Though I think मेरा जो बेटा है, he wants some male
companionship.
Yeah, some testosterone is required. So now when he sees other boys, he like heads for them.
So Shirish must be like running after him.
Shirish and he have very aggressive. With Mama, it's all huggy kissy. With Dada is sitting on his stomach and hitting him and punching him. And
so are you thinking of having any more?
I think even science cannot help me anymore now. Please, no. I think main tip यही है तारा, मैं हमेशा देखती हूँ mothers को. Maybe I'm an older mother, so but I see young mothers वो बहुत hyper हो जाते हैं और वो बहुत tense रहते हैं, and I don't think that's good for the children.
Yeah. Just to be chilled out.
I mean, सब चीज में अगर आप hyper होंगे तो that energy, whatever energy you have, it is transmitted to your child. You know, so I make sure कि मैं hमेशा थोड़ा, मैं अभी चिल्ला भी नहीं सकती हूँ उनके सामने, and I have such a loud voice that I have to tone down my voice also because my son is going to say आवाज नीचे. But I think यही है कि hyper ना हो. I mean, and especially in India, हमारा support system इतना अच्छा है इस country में.
Yeah. No, that's amazing. You said something to me which really made me laugh on the phone about how it's amazing to have the help and all, which I agree, and we're very lucky in India to have it. And how when you take your kids swimming and all, now you're going to get the nannies to jump in the pool.
Now I have to get my poor 50-year-old maid will be wearing swimming costume and coming in the water also.
And it gave me the idea also. So I haven't yet told mine, but I think slowly
I'll slowly start them. He's wearing those cycling shorts and getting it.
Yeah. But thanks so much.
Not at all the best for the show.
Thank you.
Best of luck for the little one.
Thank you.
फारा बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग और केपेबल इंसान है, एक फिल्म मेकर, एक्ट्रेस, कोरियोग्राफर और ट्रिपलेट बच्चों की माँ. सच पूछिए तो वो एक मिसाल है. आई होप मैं अपने दूसरे बच्चे को भी ज़ैन की तरह वक्त दे पाऊंगी.